Hi everyone, AJ here. Thank you for choosing to hang out with me today. If you're new, I do videos about all things beauty, may that be makeup, skincare, or hair care, and I do upload every Tuesday and Friday. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell button so that you're updated when I post new content. So in today's video, we will be unboxing my very first Boxycharm. So if you love unboxing videos, you love hauls, you love makeup, you love skincare, then please keep on watching. So here is the box that I got for the very first time. I think it's pretty heavy. I really like that we actually get like a very sturdy box. So there's not much shaking in here. I hope all of the makeup and all of the skincare products that I got came into one piece, because I've heard like some people, they do get like broken makeup when they like get packages from the mail. So I'm really hoping that these are all in good condition. And yeah, we're just gonna move on to actually opening it. I know that I'm gonna be receiving like a free welcome gift, which is a pure I think it's a pure bronzer that I'm gonna be receiving as a welcome gift. So I'm expecting to have that, but I'm expecting at least like 4 or 5 full-size products in here. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, Boxycharm is a subscription box where you get at least like 4 to 5 full-size products with the base box. I have been wanting to get a Boxycharm since I was in university, and I remember the price back then for each box is only 21 USD. And now this box costs me 25 USD. So I don't think that is bad because you do get 4 to 5 full-size products. I ended up choosing to subscribe now that I have a YouTube channel, so that I can unbox these things for you guys every month. There is already a new type of subscription box that they offer, which is the Boxycharm Premium as well as the Boxycharm Luxe. For the Boxycharm Premium, I think you get like 7 to 8 full-size products. With the Boxycharm Luxe, you do get lifestyle products, not only makeup and skincare. So it's almost like a FabFitFun box in that sense. So just gonna get my scissors and then we're gonna open this lovely box right here. Can't wait because this is my very first time unboxing a Boxycharm. I am actually in Canada, so I do pay extra for shipping. So that is one thing to keep in mind if you are from Canada, or if you're like in a different part of the world that is not in the US, you do have to pay for shipping. I think I did pay $5 for the shipping of this one. So all in all, I ended up paying $30 for the subscription box. So we're gonna find out whether it's really worth it. So the very first thing that I see here, oh my god, I don't own one of these yet, and I have been wanting to get one. Okay, so the very first thing that I got is this mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. I never owned a ceramic curling iron before because I do have wavy hair. Sometimes when I'm attending parties, I really wanted to curl my hair, but I don't own one of these yet. So I am so excited to finally own one. I don't know if we actually get like a card here where I can show you guys the prices, but I'm probably just gonna list it in the description below or even here in this video so that you guys can see how much are the actual value of these products. That is very cute. It's in purple. Okay. So this costs $50 US. I just checked their website and that is already more than the price of the box. So just right off the bat, this box is already, you know, yeah, so this is very tiny for my hair. I don't know whether it can actually hold my entire hair. This is very lightweight too, so I think it's really good for traveling. So I can't wait to use this, and if ever we're gonna be allowed to travel again, I can't wait to bring this in my trips so that I can have like different hairstyles and like different days. So the next thing that I see here is this In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist to set makeup and energize skin with a transforming electrolyte infused mist. You have to shake up the bottle. Okay, I see some oils like at the top. Yeah, so if you shake it up like this, it turns into this blue-green color, and then the oil just mixes up with water. I remember using a mist like this from Pixi, and that one you also need to shake up because there's like an oil at the top. I'm not gonna open this one yet because I'm thinking of giving some of these in a giveaway for you guys, because I know that some of you are watching my videos and some of you are leaving your comments. You're very loyal, leaving likes, and you have subscribed to my channel, so I wanted to give back. So I'm not gonna open any of these, but just for first impressions, I think this is a fairly good size. So this setting mist costs $22 US. I just checked their website, and if I compare that to the Pixi Glow Mist that I have used before, that only costs $15. Do I mind getting a more expensive product for free? No, I don't. But if you want to check out like something very similar with like oil that will make your face dewy and gonna do the same thing, maybe you can pick up the mist from Pixi, which is in the lower price range than this one. So the next product that I see here is from I Am Beauty Care, and it's their Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Okay, I've never seen a makeup remover wipe that has Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C, which is infused with serum as well. So I'm so intrigued about this. I hope this doesn't have any alcohol in it, because if it does, it's gonna irritate my skin. So it kind of does. It has cetearyl alcohol. So this right here costs 17 USD on their website. So that is not bad for getting something for free. And there are 25 towelettes in here. I think it's pretty big for 25 towelettes. So I am excited to try this. Hopefully it doesn't irritate my skin because this has alcohol in it. And I think this towelette is good to just have right beside your bed. So if you're too lazy to wash your face at the end of the day, then you can just swipe it all over your face and you don't have to put on serum, because this one has vitamin C serum in it. So I'm so excited to try this. So we have unboxed 3 full-size products already. There's 2 more that's coming up, plus the free gift that I got from Pure, which is a bronzer or a cheek palette. So far, all that I have opened are skincare and a hair tool. So I haven't gotten a makeup product yet. So I hope that I will be opening one, because that is the main reason why I subscribe to this Boxycharm box. So I really hope I'm gonna get a makeup product in here. I'm also thinking if I should do like a try-on unboxing with these products from Boxycharm. So if you want me to do that, or if you just want me to do a normal unboxing, then please comment it down below. But I am leaning towards doing a try-on unboxing in the future. So please let me know in the comment section below whether you prefer to watch a try-on unboxing rather than a normal sit-down unboxing video. So the 4th product that I see in this box is this Illuminating Cosmetic Sponge. And it's latex free, and this is the pink version. I think there is a black version when I check in their website. So this costs 21 USD, and that is almost the price of the box. So I don't mind getting this. I hope this is better than the Beauty Blender, because this almost has the same price as the Beauty Blender. And right now, I am not enjoying my Beauty Blender. I don't know what's happening, but I really like the Real Techniques one, like the sponge from Real Techniques, the orange one. I really like that one for some reason in comparison to my Beauty Blender. So I'm not sure if you guys have tried the Beauty Blender before. Do you have the same thoughts? Because I feel like it's not doing me what I wanted to do. Wow. Okay, so definitely this is very soft and fluffy. And I really like how it feels like on my hands. And it definitely has a better texture than my Beauty Blender. So I have high hopes for this one. I'm probably gonna try this tomorrow or like the next day. I'll give you guys a review on my Instagram. So finally, the last product I see in here is actually a makeup product, and it's from Ciate London, and it's their Illuminating Bronzer. Okay, I got a bronzer again. I don't have a lot of bronzers, so I don't mind getting bronzers. Is this a bronzer? This is pink. Are you sure this is a bronzer? Oh, Illuminating Blusher. Okay, I love blushes, you guys, and I don't mind having like more blushes in my collection, but I think this is very pretty. And it has a very nice mirror in here that I can use when I'm putting on mascara, so I don't mind that. I have a very big pimple in here that I don't know. Whenever I'm recording these videos, I always get all these random pimples. I don't know if you guys are the same. I don't think I own a blush in the same shade, so I am excited to have one. And I haven't tried products from Ciate before, so it's good to finally try one from Ciate. And this is in the shade called Dusk. So this retails for 26 US dollars, and that is already more than the price of the box. And that's why I'm so happy, because even if I just picked up like this blusher from Ciate, I would get the value that I paid for. And the last product that is in here is the free product that I got from Pure. Yes. So this is a pretty good size cheek palette, because this is almost the same size of my hand. So this is what the palette looks like. It smells like cocoa. So this is a pretty good size, and I think I like that there are big pans in here, because my contour brushes are kind of big, so it will fit in these pans. I just touched it like barely, and that is very pigmented. I'm excited to try this and finally try a product from Pure. So overall, without the cheek palette from Pure, I got $136 worth of products. I think that is not bad. I only paid 25 USD plus $5 for shipping because I am from Canada. And some of these products I don't get to buy from the US because sometimes I am so scared to pay for customs duties and taxes. So I will not pick this up unless I get it from a Boxycharm. So I'm definitely very excited to try products from the US through Boxycharm. So I don't want to give you guys my final thoughts on whether I recommend you getting a Boxycharm box. I think I want to get at least like 3 months worth of boxes, or maybe 6 months, just so I can see whether Boxycharm is consistent in giving you like good products. I'm also going to be unboxing a Boxycharm Premium soon and a Boxy Luxe. So if you want to watch those kinds of videos, it's also upcoming in my channel. I'm just waiting for my boxes because I have subscribed to those two. So please stay tuned. So if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to smash that like button because it will help me with the YouTube algorithm. If you have any suggestions for me of any videos that you want me to make or any boxes that you want me to subscribe to, I would gladly do it for you and review it in my channel. So just comment it down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell button. And thank you again for sticking until the end, and see you in my next video.